Mercu Buana University is ready to compete globally. Mercu Buana University has achieved international accreditation with a rating from National Accreditation Board for Higher Education, ranking 27 nationally from Nubometric, ranking 37 nationally from for ISU, and 49 from the Ministry of Research, Technology and Higher Education. In responding to the challenge of global competition, UMB made various efforts including periodically redeveloped curriculum with orientation toward the future needs from industry and society. In order to support the learning process toward internationalization, UMB always improved the quality and quantity of infrastructure and facilities. UMB prepared facilities and infrastructure which fulfill the international standard. UMB is a safe and healthy workplace where the environmental impact of all activities undertaken is strive to be minimized. UMB focus on protection and continuous improvement for UMB community. UMB also facilitated mitigation training for all community members. One of the faculty in Mercu Buana University is the Faculty of Economic and Business, majoring in Management, which has been accredited A. Management students are required to have high integrity and professionalism in management and meet the expected quality, and foster an entrepreneurial spirit that support interdisciplinary coordination and communication for self-development in accordance with the dynamic of the global market. Universitas Mercu Buana Go International Weekend.